Hi YouTube, this is Mike DiDonato from Faema, Canada, and today we're going to be reviewing the new Jura E8. So before we get into a full review of the new machine, we're going to look at some of the differences between the previous version. Looking at the new E8, you'll see that the machine has a full chrome front panel versus the older one that had a black plastic insert in the middle. The spouts have been redesigned, and so has the fine foam frother. In addition to that, the screen and buttons have slightly changed. You'll see now that the buttons are almost embedded into the screen itself, whereas on the old one, you had more of a 3D button on the panel. So those are the primary design differences. Later on, we'll get into the actual functional differences between the two units, but for now, let's look at the unboxing of the new version. So here we have the new E8 in box, and let's see what it looks like inside. So the first thing we have here is our 2-pack of cleaning tablets, our Jura Smart filter, and our filter extension. In addition to that, we have the pre-ground coffee scoop. This contains our manuals and information on how to use the machine. And now let's get to the machine itself. So to take this guy out, what we need to do is pull these two . We also have our milk cleaning station container and your new style milk tablets. These are going to be replacing the liquid style cappuccino cleaner. And there we have it. The all new Jura E8, fresh out of the box. So now that our machine is unboxed and sitting on the counter, you'll notice I have two key accessories with my unit. I have the Jura glass milk container and I have the slimline cup warmer. I love this because it actually keeps my cup warm, which always guarantees a hot cup of coffee. And this is dishwasher safe, very easy to go in and out of the fridge with. Fill it with milk and you're ready to go. Now that I have my machine set up with my milk, beans, and water, let's try an espresso. So this machine has the latest grinder. And what I really like about that is it's a lot quieter, faster, and this is achieved by Jura changing the shape of the grinder itself and how much coffee that can grind and how fine it can grind. So now when we watch this espresso come out, we're gonna see it's gonna be very robust, it's gonna be a lot quieter and quicker. So my second favorite feature of this new machine is the extra shot function. Essentially you get a doppio, so the machine will add a second shot of espresso into 3 beverages. That would be the cappuccino, latte macchiato, and flat white. Let's try a latte macchiato. The first thing you need to do is hold the gear button here, and you'll see you're gonna have an extra shot option. I select that, and I can scroll through my menu here by clicking the arrow, and it will show me a bean on those cups that have that option. So I'm gonna try my latte macchiato. Our new grinder kicks into play, extremely quiet. The machine will heat up. It's gonna start to draw the milk. I have my machine programmed to do 11 seconds of milk. Depending on your cup sizes, you can adjust that to your liking. Add my first shot. I have that set for 1 ounce because that's what I prefer. And then my second. And there we have it. One perfect latte macchiato. One sip, everybody knows the rules. It's amazing. Now we're gonna go into our third new feature, which is the Cafe Barista function. What Jura has done is added a new hot water spout, which allows you to make your 2 espresso shots and then add in hot water separately. This creates a more authentic Americano and more similar to what you would find at a coffee shop. Let's try one. I'm gonna select the Cafe Barista button. It's gonna grind my coffee. I have it set to do 3.5 ounces of coffee and then 3.5 ounces of hot water. Now you'll notice my third spout in the back there is pouring my water. Now that we're done making some drinks, let's go through our milk cleaning feature, which is the 4th newest feature of this machine. To start this process, you're gonna get your container and new milk system cleaning tablets that came with the machine. This is designed with grooves so that it automatically fits perfectly on your tray. To start this procedure, I select the gear button and I can see in red it says clean the milk system. I select that button. Now you're gonna get a warning that it takes roughly 4 minutes. Select the start button. After you've selected start, you're gonna put your container onto the tray where it's gonna fit into its groove system. Take your tablets, it automatically doses it by clicking the button and click next. In the meantime, I would take my tube here, connect it, and we're done. Wait 4 minutes, the machine will automatically run through this procedure. The container has 2 separate chambers where it keeps the dissolved and flush materials. Once it's going through its first process, you'll notice that the water here is declining and the second chamber is increasing. So now we're going to discuss programming. I find it extremely simple with Jura's easy design. Let's say you wanted to program our cappuccino option. All we need to do is select and hold the button. Once this screen appears, we would select product settings. Through here I can choose the coffee strength, the volume of coffee, 1 ounce, 2 ounce, the temperature, and the amount of milk. Once I save that, I will always have that same option every time I select that button. On the fly, I can also adjust those lengths. If I have my product set up for this cup size, and someone comes over, I'm entertaining, and they want a larger or smaller option, while the machine is preparing the beverage, I can actually change these amounts on the fly. So for example, let's say I want 20 seconds of milk. I can now watch that and cancel at any time. Now the beautiful thing about this is it won't actually override your original product setting. So the next time I go and select cappuccino, it will go back to my original product settings. And that's how you program the Jura E8. Thanks for your time, and I appreciate you watching our video today. The new E8 can be purchased from any of our locations or www.faema.ca. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section and we're more than happy to answer them. Have a great day.